Hi guys! Hi guys! So, ang daming nagsasalita. Charot. Day 1 in Cape Town. We just arrived like 2 hours ago. And then we're going to V&A waterfront for something to eat.
And some view. Daming tao.
Daming tao. So,
ayun, ito actually yung waterfront.
saan?
We're so close pala, guys.
I'll show you.
Ang ganda ito eh.
Thanks. Update after 15 minutes of walking.
Has it been 15 minutes?
Ilan na ba?
Hindi ko
10.
alam. We're almost there.
We're almost there. Hindi naman niya tinitignan yung
Yo, I'm just following my heart here. Walang map tayo dito.
Ang ganda dito, guys. As per Tanya, third world country pala dito.
It is.
It is. But it doesn't look like one. Guys, I think we're here.
Almost here. Kaya pa-hold nga. Type ko lang ulit yung picture. Kaya pa-hold.
Sige, paano yung Thai?
Oh, it's just too hot that I need to put my hair
I
on.
don't even know where to be. Siguro somewhere here na lang.
No, but where do we cross? Oh, here. Magka-cross pala tayo here. The bridge. I'll not video the bridge.
Saan?
They're gonna connect. Ito, mag-connect yun.
Saan yung
Ito,
bridge?
dito tayo tayo. Ayun, pina-fold nila yung bridge. Yan, pabadating na. Hindi mo.
Di ko pa gets.
Yan,
Oh, yeah. Wait lang. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Kasi we're going to the other side. Kaso, walang bridge. Yan siya. Oh, okay. It's nice. Oh, ganda. Oopsie. Ayun, it's done. Nice! That's cool. Ay, eto na! Ito na talaga siya. Ang ganda, ang daming
So I want
resto.
pasta. Can we have pasta?
No. Pasta.
Yeah, but
First day mo
seafood
to-
pasta.
Oh my God! Ang daming restaurant.
Cute.
Wait. See? Dami naman palang seafood.
Yan na pala naman dito.
At least,
No KFC gusto mo.
no. With the view. And I got it right.
Yan yung ginawa mo.
Huh? What will I eat?
Nasugulo.
This is liver. Ang sarap. Chicken liver. Oh my God. The best.
Peri-peri medium.
And of course, rice. Sobrang anghang.
Oo ah. Di ba lang ha?
Not that much.
Ako na-try lang.
Diba? Magam. Anong kasi? What's this?
Calamari.
Oh my God.
Sarap, right? Anong chicken? Kukunin ko na to. Diba? best life sila. Kaya date na kayo dyan. The freaking cold and darkness.
Peter?
Ano yung sisi, no? Matigas siya?
Busog ka?
Very, and I'm so sleepy.
Me too. Wala naman kami sa mood.
Very good.
10 out of 10. Punta ka tayo sa taas. May shot lang ako.
It's so annoying. Oh, he's so cute.
It's Africa. Africa. How much? 300 euro? 300 euro yan. What? Ay, ang cute na to. African corn. Pagod na kaming mag-vlog, kaya phone na lang. Alam, yung mukha ko. She's sad. I mean, that's her baseline naman, pero mas sad siya ngayon. So, ayun. We're going home na. It's already 7. Tapos...
And it's bedtime. Because we're old. We're gonna go home at 7 o'clock.
Yeah. Hirap din. Alam mo po ni Kuya talaga. Ang daming ko. The place. Hindi na nakita. Guys, ang dami, bet namin ang South African.
One day they'll
Meet again,
never need.
the more than reminiscent. Maybe this time it will be love when they're fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
She's back in
His life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Love